Here, we'll create an Octiv document from Dynamics 365 for sales. We'll generate a document from an opportunity, use data from that opportunity to drive content in the document, customize that document using Octiv's web editor and show the asset library in Octiv. We'll then share that document with the opportunity contact on the opportunity using Octiv to deliver the document, track how the recipient interacts with that document, and close that document using Octiv's e-signature, also updating the opportunity status in Dynamics. We'll start from an opportunity in Dynamics 365. Here I already have one set up with different fields filled out and products added to my related list. To create my Octiv document, I'll use my default experience from the navigation ribbon, and I'll choose Octiv Documents and Add New Document button. From here, we'll begin reviewing our content, and at this point, I have the opportunity to customize the document further. I'll edit the text using Octiv's web editor here. I also see that I'm pulling in different variables from Microsoft, highlighted in yellow, and in this case, we'll take a look at the asset library on the right side of our screen, where I can choose images or other asset types that are in my Octiv account. On the left side of my screen, I can navigate to different pages in my table of contents. So I'll click on our About Us page, view that content, the Customer Testimonials page, where I see another variable pulling in from Dynamics 365. Beneath it, I see some content within dashed lines. These dashed lines represent show hide logic that has been set up by my administrator on the template that started this document. And clicking preview, I can see that only content relevant to my industry selection shows up on this page. Flipping to my order form, I see some additional variables highlighted in yellow here. And again, clicking that preview toggle shows the content flowing in from Dynamics 365. On the final terms and conditions page, we see another block of conditional content and another variable pulling in here. Now that I'm happy with my document, I'll go to my Next Steps panel on the right side of my screen and click Publish Now. We'll continue adding people, where I'll add CRM contacts. And we see that Gavin has been added. I'll click Submit, where Octiv will prompt me to send email now, where I can include my recipients, edit the email if I choose to, and click Send. Once my document has been sent, I'm going to flip back over to my inbox, where I can see that I have received an email from Octiv. I'm viewing this now as my recipient, Gavin, and to view it, in this example, I'll open the link in an incognito window. And this brings me to a view again, where I'm automatically logged in as the recipient, where I can review the document. In my role as a recipient for this demo, I'll go through the table of contents on the left side of my page, clicking different pages or using the arrows in the upper right to navigate. I see only the content that's relevant for me based on that information my document owner had in CRM. And I can see my order form and terms and conditions here. Once I'm happy reviewing this document, I'll click the Accept call to action. And this brings up Octiv's e-signature tool, where I'll click the box, type or draw my name, enter my email, and click Sign. Once I've signed my document, I'll receive an email notification both as the document recipient and document owner, and I can download the signed PDF for my own records. Now that we've signed it, I'll take a look back at the Octiv document as the document owner. Back in Dynamics, I see that my Octiv document has updated to accepted. My signer status updated to signed, and I can click on that View Report to see some more detailed information. Here, I can see who viewed the document, how long they spent on it, and when I flip to the Content tab, I can see how long each recipient interacted with each page. This can help drive conversation based on which pages or which pieces of content the recipient is viewing more, or see which pages are more used or effective across my account. Back on my opportunity, we'll refresh our screen, and we can see that the opportunity has updated to 1. This has been an example of how to create an Octiv document from Dynamics 365. We generated the document from an opportunity, customized the document using Octiv's web editor, and saw how variables from Dynamics were affecting content, showed where we could pull in assets from the Octiv library, shared that document with the opportunity contact using Octiv to deliver it via email, tracked how that recipient interacted with the document, and accepted the document using Octiv e-signature while updating opportunity status.